Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, here we are on an Audi A8 Add Key. Alright, if you got VVDI2 or Key Tool Plus, should be able to do this one. So we're going to open up VVDI2. It's going to be all OBD. Shouldn't be more than about a 10-minute job. So we're going to open up VVDI2, and then we're going to select Audi. Got our VVDI2. Now this only works on Add Key. God, I still got to update this. I'll do it this weekend. So we're going to go to 5th Immobilizer System. And then we're going to read BCM data OBD2. Alright, so we're going to take our working key. We got it in the car. It's Prox. So we're going to select OK. I want you to put it there. That's your sensor. You don't really have to because it's Prox. If it was a slot key or something like that, you'd have to do that. Now, of course, what we want to do is build our folder with the last 8. I'm just putting Audi A6 right now. Okay, so there's our folder, and this came back. So we're going to go to desktop, select that, and we're going to put VVDI ORI for original emo. VVDI2. I'll probably remember that. So that's our original emo file, so we're going to save that. Boom. Now we're going to make dealer key. Do you want to prepare an OEM key? No, we don't. We're not using OEM keys. So we're going to select no. So this is an A8. So there's a bunch of selections. First one is A4, A5, and Q5. You don't need a working key. You can do this all OBD with all keys lost. We're going to do the second one, which is A6, A7, A8, Add Key. You must have working key. We do. So we're going to select next. Input the working key into VVDI2 and hit next. Now it's reading it. It's going to give us that sync data and ask us if we want to save it, which absolutely. This sync data costs $180. So we're going to save that as sync ORI. All right, then we're going to press OK to load that BCM2 data that we already saved, that we already read. Put the new key in the programmer. I always like to take the keys out when I'm programming. Do whatever you want, but that's how I do it. All right, it's going to read it. Now, of course, we're making the dealer keys. We're going to still have to go in and learn both the existing key and the new key we're adding to the car once we're done making the dealer key. You can charge a lot of money for these cars, man. Nobody else really does them in my area. I'm doing this one for a shop over here. Come on. All right, we made dealer key. We've got our key in VVDI2 with a battery in it. Now we're making dealer key. I was getting hung up earlier on it, and I think it's because I didn't have a battery in the key. And now you see start make key is going all the way through. I could have sworn I had to do these before and didn't have a battery. So dealer make key success. And we've made our dealer key. So now we're going to just hit OK. Now we want to learn 2 keys, of course. So we're going to go to key learning, load the BCM data. Okay, so we've got our working key here. Insert working key to the ignition. We're going to put it right here. And then our screen is going to go to 0, 2. And then see it went to 1, 2. Now what you have to do is take your new key here, press the ignition, and then you'll hold your new key up. Let's hit the start stop button. And then see it went from 2 to 2. So 2, 2. All right, so now we'll go back over here and just hit OK. It's going to finish it out and say all keys successfully learned. So here's our key is learned. So there's our flashers. Our old key is still good. All right, so I'm gonna go put this back in its shell. So I shouldn't have taken it out of, should have just left it in there. But I hope that makes sense to you. Pretty easy job to do.